You're told when your pizza's ready coming out of the oven. You know when your package is going to arrive at your front door. You jump to B2B software implementations. When things don't happen, you automatically think that nothing's happening. We built GUIDEcx to help companies clearly indicate when their product or service was going to go live in a very customer-friendly way.
GUIDEcx solves the #1 cause of customer churn, bad implementation, by making sure that setup of anything that you buy goes smoothly and quickly. In the previous BI solution that we were using, the biggest problem was just that we were stuck with very, very few people who were experienced enough to be able to use it and make modifications. So we were going to that very small subset of experts, and they were such a major bottleneck that even simple changes took a lot longer than we could afford to do.
Especially in the B2B world, it becomes ever important to differentiate yourself between every other competitor that's out there. When we brought in Domo Everywhere into our product, it became an immediate differentiator between me and everybody else that was in the industry. I could bring in AI to now start to create a baseline of where they should look at without having to develop things on their own. So for us, it's become a big aspect of our expansion revenue, in addition to our new revenue logos that we're winning as well too.
Domo is an embedded data product in GUIDEcx. Anytime you embed a product, you want it to feel seamless from the end user's experience. My goal, right, as a founder of a company, is to make sure we partner with companies that can provide those seamless experiences where customers don't really know they're working with another product, but we're able to sell the vision that we integrate with the best of breed. And we've chosen the best of breed so you can fulfill, all your dreams and aspirations.
Partnering with Domo for embedded analytics has helped us deliver more value to our customers by giving them more tools to discover answers on their own.
It would take us eons to build what Domo has built, and we aren't BI experts. But what we do have is we have incredible insights, and we have users that are very engaged, that become better at their jobs when those insights are served up in a way that's actionable. And that's what Domo does for our users.
An absolute game changer for not only for our customers to understand where their implementations bottlenecks are, where their highways are, but it also gives our customer the ability to see certain things that they've never been able to see in the past as well too.
Domo's connector library is so important to this use case because they can feel like they have that huge head start into getting that holistic perspective on the customer onboarding experience. So if they want to look for any CRM system, they're probably already set up to the point where all they have to do is throw in their login credentials, and they have the head start into all the data sets that they would be manually pulling together if they were creating their own type of connector from scratch.
I love how our users are now building dashboards with its AI agent, right? Being able to just say, hey, I need to know what percentage of my projects that are completed on time pay their invoices on time, right? Our users can take the GUIDEcx data set and take maybe their data set from Intact, their financial tools, and then marry the tool data sets together and have Domo AI answer that simple question that oftentimes takes hours, if not weeks, to answer when you have someone kind of building dashboards in the background. So it's cool.
There's the acceleration in the roadmap where something would have been totally impossible for us to deliver this year, and now we've delivered it just a few days ago. So if we're looking at roadmap time savings, we're talking about months and months. But individual task time savings of deploying those agents, then we're talking at least 2 to 3 hours per day.
And I think one big key with Domo AI is the show your work concept, that when it shows how it got there, then as the user, you can understand what level of confidence you should have in it. Okay, I can trust this 100%. It relieves bandwidth internally, it increases customer confidence externally, and it gets the right people the right answers. And I think the more you can do that, the more everybody wins.
Storytellers rule the world. Domo really helps us tell a story of value to our end users.